one of our favorite flows that some of our customers are running right now is the ability to actually create a social feed around not just the kind of contest that you're running towards the end of the year, but also about the volunteer efforts that your people are doing independently. So if we go into our template gallery once again, and we search for volunteering, you'll find this Our Volunteers template. So this is a workflow designed really to create a separate space, a separate channel for communication, specifically around the different volunteer efforts that your people are a part of outside of their work lives. So if we go and we preview this template, we'll see share an image or video of your volunteer experience and also add a little caption describing that experience. So if we create that in one click, boom, now we've got a new workflow. We can jump in here and edit it however we see fit. So perhaps we can say, what is the name of the organization you're working with? Bump that up, describe your experience, save. And now we want our, once again, our whole organization to have participation, and we want our whole organization to be able to view. And with that, we've once again created a separate space for just those conversations, and users will find this in their left drawer. When they come and they click to post, they'll be able to upload that file, write a description of the organization that they're working with, and a descriptive caption of what that experience was like. That's really how we think about giving back at Assembly, whether it's through charities, whether it's using culture rewards in order to redeem points in order to donate to local charities that we might not partner with, or whether it's just kind of creating a space to celebrate and highlight the people who are doing great volunteer work, great community work within your company.